Good morning. Today we can see the single degree of freedom system load with harmonic load, and we study the analysis vibration. In this case, the system is dampened system, so there is the spring and also the system of damping. We remember the equation of the differential equation of displacement of this system is equal to mass for acceleration for c is the damping coefficient per velocity plus k is the stiffness of spring for displacement is equal of applied force Pt. In this case, the applied force Pt is an harmonic, so is a sinusoidal force applied to the mass. So the system is dampened force equation. We can write the present equation in this way, where the mass for acceleration plus c for velocity plus k for displacement is equal of p0 for seno di omega t. Divide for the mass, the equation is can write in this way, and remembering the omega is a racine of k for divided for the mass. C is the damping ratio, is the coefficient, the damping coefficient C divided for 2 mass for the omega. We can rewrite the this present equation in this way. The complementary solution is equal xt for A elevate when c for omega t for a seno di omega d t for t for the time plus b for coseno di hyperbolic omega d dt, where omega t is equal omega raising the 1 less c elevated 2, the damping ratio elevated 2. The particular integral you can write in this way: xp equal coefficient g1 for seno di omega bar for t plus g2 for coseno di omega bar for the time t. G1 we can find for the initial condition, so we can put this equation in the equation here, differential, take out a differential way, so we can calculate the coefficient G1 and G2, and the final solution of displacement is equal to this equation. The transient response die quickly and is of little interest. The steady state response will continue until the external force continue to be applied. The variation of transient steady state total response for typical SDOF system is shown in this way. So you can say the steady response is equal in the time. The transient response we can see is in the time become less, and the total response is the combination of two, so is the line we can calculate this displacement and solve the differential equation with code Python. This code Python we can study line by line. There is the line 53, 54, 55 is the import library. The first library LAMPI is the core library for numerical computing in Python, and it handles array and mathematical function. SciPy point integrate import of the int is a numerical solver for ordinary differential equation, and after import plot matplotlib is used to create the graph. After in the line 40, 41, 42, 44 there is the system parameter, the mass. M is the mass of object. K is the stiffness of spring pulling in the mass. Zeta is the damping ratio. In this case is 5%, so is under dampened, it will oscillate before setting. P0 is the maximum strength of external vibrating force. Omega bar is how fast the external force oscillate. After there is the derivative variable, so omega is calculate racine for spring constant divided for the mass. The period is 2a for pi divided for omega, is the natural period of vibration. C is the coefficient, damping coefficient, calculate in function of zeta, of damping ratio, and the mass and omega. In the line between 54 and 59, there is the numerical, is the differential equation definition. So define function differential equation. Z is a list that contains the current state, displacement x, and the velocity v. F calculate the current value of the external vibrating force at the time. Dxt dt is equal to v is the first equation, is the derivative of displacement, so the velocity is just the velocity. V dt is the second equation, is derivative of velocity. Acceleration is calculated by rerunning the equation of motion to solve the acceleration, and return these two variables, so the velocity and the acceleration. After there is the numerical integration, solving the ordinary derivative the ordinary differential equation. So there is the initial condition of the displacement and the velocity. So the displacement of time 0 is 0.02 meter, 2 millimeter, and the velocity is equal to 0.05 meter per second. TF is the total duration for the calculation, so the time we can print also the plot, and after T is the time variable between 0 and the value maximum TF with a step 0.05 second. Zeta solve the differential equation across all time steps, starting from the initial condition. After in this state variable, extracting a state variable, so extract the x total and velocity total. In the line to start in the line 75, there is the steady state transient displacement calculation. So is calculate the x amp, use the exactly mathematical formula for structural dynamic calculate, and also for the phase phi. So this is the exactly calculation of the formula, and x steady, x amp for seno di omega bar for t for phi, x calculate the steady state response. X transient calculate the displacement of transient response, so difference of x total when less x static. Calculate the acceleration and also the force applied, the force spring and the force damping. After we can there is the plotting setup, and with 4 graph where calculated the displacement, the velocity, the acceleration, and also the force. And finally, in the point in the line 140, save this graph in example 3.2. We can see this graph here. Okay, here there is the displacement. We can see the transient response. This is the line red, and finally is in the time become less, and the steady state response is constant in the time, is the black line. The total response, the resultants of the sum of transition response and the steady response is the blue line. After is calculate is plotting the velocity, the acceleration, and also the force with in black the applied force PT, constant, sinusoidal constant. In blue, in cyan, there is the spring force, and magenta there is the damping force. We can see also a simulation of this. So here we can see in the time how change the displacement, velocity, acceleration, and the force. This is the system with applied harmonic force to the mass, Here there is the table with input of system, the mass, stiffness, damping, force, amplitude, and derivate value, forcing frequency, natural frequency, and the applied initial value of displacement and the velocity. Okay, you can find the Python code also in GitHub. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye.